Oh my God, look at all grey in my beard. God, I look cold. Anyway, I'm not going to let the cold stop me from showing you exactly what I've got inside the back of my van. And to be honest, I am super excited to show you it, and you're not going to believe it. And no, it's not a stripper from Spearmint Rhino. I wish it were, but it's not. So let me open my van and let me show you what I've got. Drum roll, please. And it is a scaffold tower. Look at that. Oh my good golly gosh, how amazing is that? Second hand, got it off Facebook Marketplace. I'll tell you how much it was later on in the video. But the first thing to do is get around the back of the garden. And let's put it up. Let's do this. Hey, Doug, you alright, and welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, please do like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. So for 2025, I'm starting a brand new exterior cleaning business. Part of that business is going to be roof cleans, and to get up to the roof, I'm going to need to do it safely. So I've got a scaffold tower just in there. So like I've just told you, I'm going to get it out, I'm going to get it right back, I'm going to erect it, grow up, my bed, and yeah, I'm going to time it, see how long it takes to get up and to get down, and see if it's manageable to do with one person, and it should be, because I am awesome. But the first thing to do is to get some gloves on, because it is absolutely freezing. I've got my gloves on. These poles are cold. I used to be a scaffolder for about 10 or 12 years. Not this stuff though, proper scaffold. Whoa! So let me show you everything that I got in this kit. 4 wheels, there you go. 4 outriggers. 12 short poles, just there. 10 long ones. 3 boards, standing platforms. 1, 2, 3, there you go. Bus. There are your top sections, where you're going to be standing and your handrail's going to be coming across from one side to the other. And then I've got 3 sections just there with the ladders in, and then 3 blanks. And that is it, the complete tower. 2 things you're going to need: a rubber mallet and a Gary Neville. Only thing is, I think it's faulty, because it just won't, it's not sticking. Must be something wrong with these magnets. Nothing. Very strange. Very strange. So I'm going to stick you on a time lapse, but I'm going to time it. So let's see what time it is right now. It is 5 to 12. There we go. Let's see how long it's going to take to get this up in the sky. For whatever reason, my Rode microphone does not like the cold weather. Every now and again it's tempted to cut out, so I'm having to voice over this a little bit. There you go, tower is up, and it's only taken 10 minutes to get that far, so looking pretty good, well happy with the progress, so let's get it on. So it's 22, got the outriggers on, and we're all the way up there, just got to get that board on. Top rails, and there we go. To be fair, the second board is high enough, that is the same height as what my guttering is. So if I'm just doing a normal house like this, as long as it's just a 2-storey, not a 3-storey or anything like that, I'll probably not need to go as high as what that is. So it's only taken like not even an hour yet to get up there, so I'm happy with that. Happy days. The more I do it, quicker I'll get. But for my first attempt, not too bad. I've even got a cup of tea over there, so get that down me, mate, and then we'll carry on. But yeah, absolute like flying up mocha. So there we go, done, finished and up, and it is nearly 1 o'clock. So it's taken an hour. Very first time putting it up, it's taken an hour. Happy with that. I can afford to use an hour's time throughout a day to get it up. So I've got some braces spare. What I should do really is probably where that one finishes, go in the next one there where that board is, and then up and across, and then I'd probably use them 4, 2 on either side extra, but I didn't. It's my first time doing it. It's sturdy enough. But I'm going to take you right to the tippy top. I'm going to show you how high it is. Oh my God, are you ready? Hope you're not scared of heights. I've even had to take my tipper off, look. It's down there. I'm sweating. Got a dab on now. Still about -3. Close that. So we are on the first platform, probably about the same height as what my conservatory is. See all my roof. There you go. That's how high this one. Let's go up another level. Up onto the second story, I'm probably about the same height or just a little bit below what the guttering is. So I'm explaining here that I'm probably not going to need the next level when I'm just doing a little 2-story house like I live in. Let's go up another level, come on! Right, top of the shop, probably just below the top of my ridges. It is well high enough. This should more than be sufficient enough for a 3-story house. And just look at that view today. Look at that, I mean. It is 1:10. Let's see how long it takes to get it down. I'm not going to rush. I'm on my own, so I've got to take it nice and safe. Do not want any accidents. So there we go. 22, just less than 22, so less than 20 minutes. Take it down. It's always easier taking it down than it is taking it up. Plus, like I said to you, if I was doing a 2-story property like what we're doing, I wouldn't need to put the top one on, so it would take even less to put it up and less to take it down. So all in all, I think I could probably get this up and down in 30 minutes. So happy with that. Don't take no time whatsoever. Obviously it's awkward, I'm on my own. If there were 2 on you, oh man, you'd fly this up. So I'm going to tell you how much it cost. So to buy this brand new, you're talking about 3.5 grand. It's second hand. Got it off Facebook Marketplace and it were only like 20 minutes away, which was an absolute bonus. I've been looking for ages to try and find a aluminium scaffold tower, and I picked this up for 950 quid. You might think that's too much. You might think it was a great deal. Personally, I thought it were a good deal. It was close to where I am, like I've just said. It's the right size that I need. Now, I know some of you are going to leave in the comments that there's the little small ones that pack inside the shelves. The only thing with that is I'm going to be having a water tank, which is in that blue tarpaulin, going in the back of the van. I'll have my pressure washer mounted in the back of my van. I've got my gutter vac in the back of the van. So if I was to get one of those that pack into themselves, a little compact one, MI scaffold tower or something like that, I'll stick a picture up now to show you. So I wouldn't have been able to get that in the back of the van with everything else that I need in the back of the van. So it wasn't a good idea getting one of those. That's what I thought anyway. And it only takes 20 minutes, half an hour to the height that I need, like it says on a standard 2-bed, to get it up. So it's not really saving that much time. Let me show you where I'm going to be putting it though, in the van. So the majority of it won't be going in it, it'll be going on it. I've got my roof rack, so it's going to be going on the roof rack. All the big sections, the boards will go on there, the poles will go inside. Right, so there you go, that is it, my brand new to me aluminium Boss scaffold tower, 8.2 meters in height. You've seen it fully erected. I don't need the whole shebang, but at least I've got it for those 3-story buildings. I hope you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Ding a ding 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 ding. Until next time, I'll see you later. Ta-da, see you there. Bye bye. Whoop, 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 whoop. Whoop.